The first step is creating the ad script. Open ChatGPT and upload your product image along with a few supporting images of the product. Then ask ChatGPT to generate a short UGC style ad script between 10 and 20 seconds. Something like write a short UGC style ad script for this product. Make it sound natural and enthusiastic. Usually it takes a few attempts to get the script perfect. You might want to edit the tone, shorten the sentences, or make it sound more natural. Once you have a script you are happy with, copy it for the next step. Next, head over to your lip synthesis tool. Choose around 5 different characters to create variation for your AD. You can either use the default voice or upload your own voice example. If you want the AI to copy a specific voice style, paste your script into the text section. Now experiment with the voice parameters like emotions, tone, and creativity. This helps make the delivery sound more natural and match your product style. Once you're happy with the voice preview, generate the lip-synced video. Repeat this process with 5 different characters, so you have multiple variations to work with. Now here's a powerful step most people skip. Go back to ChatGPT, upload your avatar image along with your product image. Then ask something like, generate an image of this person holding this product in a natural UGC style. This will create a realistic image of your character holding the product. You can use this image later in your video as a hook, thumbnail moment, or overlay. This makes your ad feel much more real and relatable. Once all your lip-synced videos are generated, open CapCut on your PC, click Create Project. Now import all the files you'll need. Import the lip-synced character videos, your product images, any supporting images, and any B-roll clips you want to use. Drag the main lip-synced character video onto the timeline to start building your ad. Before we jump into editing, there is one important step most people skip. Different platforms use different video sizes. For example, TikTok and Instagram Reels use vertical 9:16 format, while some Facebook ads can be square or vertical. So before editing, we need to set the correct format. In CapCut, go to the top of your project and find the aspect ratio or canvas settings. Choose 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and most Facebook ads. If your clip doesn't fit perfectly, select it and adjust the scale and position, so it fills the screen. You can also reposition your subject to keep them centered. Doing this at the beginning saves a lot of time and make sure your video looks perfect on every platform. Now add your product visuals. Drag your product image or the AI-generated image of the person holding the product above your main video. Resize and position it on screen. You can animate it slightly using scale or fade effects. Use this especially at the beginning of your video to grab attention. Now add B-roll clips. These are clips showing the product in action. Drag them above your timeline, match them with what the character is saying. For example, when the character mentions a feature, show that feature visually. This keeps viewers engaged and builds trust. Now let's make the video more dynamic using effects. Go to the Effects tab in CapCut. Instead of just basic effects, focus on attention-grabbing elements. First, add arrows or highlight effects to point at your product or key features. You can find these in stickers or effects. Drag them onto the timeline and to the Transitions tab and add quick cuts, zoom transitions, or blur transitions between clips. This helps your video flow smoothly and keeps viewers engaged. You can also add quick flashes or motion effects when switching scenes to make it feel faster and more modern. The key here is to guide the viewer's attention and keep the video moving. Don't overdo it. Just enough effects to make it feel energetic and natural like real UGC. Now go to the Text tab and click Auto Captions. Generate captions for your video. CapCut will automatically create subtitles for everything that's being said. Now customize them, highlight keywords, adjust colors, and position them clearly on screen. You can also make certain words pop with animations to grab attention. Captions are extremely important, especially for TikTok and Instagram ads, because a lot of people watch videos without sound. Good captions keep viewers engaged and make sure your message still gets across even if the audio is off. And that's how you turn AI tools into high-converting UGC ads. Now here's a powerful tip. Take the other 4 lip-synced videos you generated and simply replace the character in your edit while keeping everything else the same. Same script, same captions, same effects, only the person changes. This allows you to split test different characters and quickly see which one performs best. You can now create multiple variations fast and scale what works.